Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build this logistic website that comes with this translator where user can translate into different languages. So I'll click on show original like so. It has this logo by the left hand side and it comes with nav bar. So here's our hero section where it says fast and reliable logistics solution. So user can track their package by inputting their tracking number and they'll click on track order. So I'll be tracking a package shortly. So let me just give you a brief overview of this website. So here's our services. So as you can see, we offer sea shipping, air shipping, land shipping. So you can view all our services by clicking on view all services. So as you can see, the design is very simple and very professional. So here we have this request a free quote. So you just fill in your freight type. So you input your email address, you input your full name, phone number, the departure country, the total weight of the package, and also the recipient country. So you fill in the expected delivery date, then you click on submit request. So admin will receive your request, then create a shipment for you. So here's our how it works session. So our delivery process, so packaging, landing, and delivery. So here is also the testimonial section, as you can see. So we'll be building all of this without writing a single line of code. So let me just quickly track a shipment so you see how it looks. So I'll just input my tracking number, then I'll click on track order. So here's how our tracking page look like. So you can print the invoice of this shipment by clicking on print invoice. So as you can see, here's how our invoice look like. So it has this logo and also our tracking number. So our company name, company address, and also our email. So we have our sender details, our receiver details, and also it comes with this barcode. So as you can see, the booking mode is to pay. So we have these shipping costs. So as you can see, this is looking great. So let me just go back. So it has this map here where you can see the current location of your shipment. So as you can see, it's currently in Accra. So for the shipping status, the delivery progress is currently 20% complete and our expected delivery date is July 29th, 2026. So here's the shipment image. So it also has this quick action where you can print an invoice, contact support, and also track another package. So let me scroll down. So here's our shipment details. So the origin is from Ghana and the final destination is Nigeria. So here's the shipping information and here's the sender details and the receiver details. So we'll be building all of this without writing a single line of code, and it's mobile responsive. So let me show you how it looks on mobile. So I'll go back to the home page. This is how it's displaying on mobile. So let me just scroll through and show you. It's looking great. If you're new to the channel and enjoy tutorials like this, consider subscribing. I upload videos on AI, web design, and no-code development to help you build professional projects faster. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to build this website, we'd need a domain name and a web hosting account. For this tutorial, I'll be using Stenos. So if you'd like to follow along using the same provider, I'll leave the link in the video description. And also, if you don't have a domain or an hosting yet, I've also linked a step-by-step setup tutorial below. So I'll just open a new tab, then I'll log into my CPanel. So this is what your CPanel will look like. So you want to come to your file manager, then you navigate to your public_HTML. As you can see, it's currently empty. So we'll be uploading our scripts. So you click on this upload button like so, then you select your file. So I'll select my script, then I'll click on open. So I'll be dropping the link where you can get access to the script. So you want to wait for you to finish uploading. As you can see, our script has been successfully uploaded. So I'll click on go back like so. So you want to come to this your settings, and you want to make sure that this show hidden file is checked, okay? So I'll click on save like so. So I'll select my zip file, I'll right click, then I'll click on extract. So after extracting it, you want to delete the zip file. So you scroll down, you click on this zip file, then you click on this delete. So here's our script. So you want to come to your .env file. So you right click, then you click on this edit. So what you want to do is you want to update this app URL, which is your website address and your database details. So just come to my CPanel tools like this. I'll copy my app URL. So I'll click on copy link address. So I'll go back to my .env file. So I'll just paste it here. So for your database details, we'll be creating a new database for this installation. I'll come back to my CPanel tools. So I'll be searching for database wizard like so. So I'll click on it. So you want to give your database a name. So let me just hit wrap, though you can give it anything you want. I'll click on next step. Then also you create a user for this database. So I'll click on this password generator to generate a password for this database. So I'll copy my password So you click on create user. So let me just quickly paste this password in my notepad. Now minimize it. So you want to check these all privileges. So you copy your database and your database username. So you want to click on next step like so. So we have successfully created a database for this installation. So the next thing is to upload the .SQL file. So for that, you go to PHP my admin. So I'll click on this like so. As you can see, this is the database I just created. So I'll click to enter this database. So you click on import, then you upload your .SQL file. So I'll click on open like so. So as you can see, we have successfully imported our SQL file. So I'll come back to my .env file, then I'll update my database details. So after updating your database details, you just click on save changes like so. So I'll copy my app URL, then I'll come to a new tab. Let's just see the website we just created. As you can see, we have successfully replicated the exact same thing. So let me simply walk you through the admin. So to access the admin dashboard of this website, you go to your website's URL /admin/dashboard. So let me just log into my admin dashboard and show you. So as you can see, this is how the admin dashboard looks like. You can manage existing shipments on here. You can create a new shipment. So let me quickly create a new shipment so you see. As you can see, that's how easy it is to create a new shipment, and the receiver of the package gets an email notification. So I'll go to my email now and show you. So as you can see, here's the email notification I just got after creating that shipment. So let's just track it and see. So I'll click on track shipment and it takes us to our tracking page. So I'll just come and copy our tracking number. So I'll click on track order like so. You can see it's just like that previous one. So let's just simply update this shipment. So I'll come back to my admin. So you click on this hash one, then you click on edit shipment history. So I want to add a new location. So let me just say our new location is currently in Kogi State. So new city Kogi, country is still Nigeria. So for the stats, let me put it as in transit, then delivery percentage like 40%. So let's just add a comment. So I'll click on update history like so. So we have successfully updated this history. So let's go back now and track these shipments. So I'll come to this track order, then I'll paste in my tracking code. So as you can see, our shipment status has been updated from approved to in transit, and also our delivery progress is now 40%. So the current location on our map is now showing Kogi State instead of Abuja. So let me just go back to the admin and walk you through. So you can email the receiver of a package from these email services. So what you want to do is choose your user, you input your greeting/title message, so the subject of the message. So you compose your message here, then you just click on send. So I'll come to these settings and I'll come to app settings. As you can see, here's our website name. So you can update everything about this website from this place. So let me just change the website name to something else. So the website title is the same thing. So let me update this. So you update your website app URL, then you update your office address, okay? So if you have a WhatsApp number, you can input it here. And also if you have a live chat, you can also input your code here. So you enter your year started, then you select your installation type, whether main domain, subdomain, or subfolder. So you upload your logo, then you just click on this update. So let's just see. So let me just copy our website's URL and view. As you can see, we have successfully updated the name from Samplex to Zero Code. So let's just update this logo. So I'll come back to my admin dashboard. So I'll just choose a random logo from my system. So I'll click on update. Let's go back, then let's just refresh. So as you can see, our logo has been updated. So let me just go back to the admin. So I'll come to this preference. So here you want to set your email. So you can also update your website currency from here. So I just click on save changes like so. Then I'll come to these email settings. So you want to set up your mail configuration so that your platform will be able to send out email. So for this, I'll come to my CPanel tools. So you want to come to this email account. Then you just create a new email. So I'll click on this create like so. So I'll come back to my admin. So you want to update these details like your email from name, your SMTP then your SMTP username and your password. So let me just paste my password like so. Then for my email from, remember I created a new email called support. I'll copy this, then I'll paste it here like so. Then I'll click on save changes like so. So that's how easy it is. So to get access to this script, message me on WhatsApp, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.